Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I've come on here today to talk to you about documentation that you need to have ready when applying for a new mortgage or even a remortgage. Now, banks and building societies and all lenders want to prove and want to see proof of who you are. So the way we can do that as mortgage brokers is to make sure that you as the customer are ready and have the documentation at hand by the time we apply for the mortgage. So the first thing you need to have ready is, number one, a passport or a driving license. So this will show who you are, a picture of yourself, all your personal details like your date of birth, and on your driving license it will also have your address, so that's an added bonus for the lender. Number two, proof of address. So that will be bank statements with your name and address on. You can download them if you do online banking, and we'll accept PDF copies, which is fine. A utility bill, so gas, water, electric, something that's within the last 3 months. So it is in date, not something that's like a year old because they won't accept that. So the last 3 months is key, and that will confirm your name and address also. Now the next one is council tax bill. This is really good and lenders like to see that, but if you're living at home with parents, you may not have a council tax bill in your name, so that's fine and you can just stick to bank statements. But if you are renting a property or you already own a property, then council tax bill will be ideal because that will have your name and address and that will be registered to the local council, which is really good. So income. So if you're employed, banks will generally want to see the last 3 months current pay slips. If you're going to be using bonuses to help with your lending power as well, it's always good to show your bank or your mortgage broker the pay slip where the bonus was also paid. Generally they're around April time, but it depends on your work. The bonuses can be paid monthly, quarterly, annually. So make sure any bonuses that you've been paid or additional income, make sure you evidence them pay slips to your bank or broker, because that will really help you. Also, with regards to self-employed, used to be the last 2 years SA 302s, or they're also known now as the tax computations or tax year overviews. Now, speak to your accountant and ask for the last 2 years. Some lenders, as we mentioned on previous posts, actually will just accept 1 year's books. So as long as you have a minimum of 1 year and you can get them documentation from your accountant, then you should be fine. But in an ideal world, you should have 2 years. So all that information you really need to have ready for your bank or your mortgage broker by the time that you're ready to apply for the mortgage. It will put you in the best position. It will save you scratching around trying to find documentation and putting unnecessary pressure on yourself. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, then please comment below and click the subscribe link for our YouTube channel. We'll be doing this weekly, and any questions or any content you specifically want to know about or see, let us know and we'll be more than happy to do that for you, and speak to you soon.